Here's my Blackeye Killorado V2 21-inch top tube bike check. To start off with, I got the odyssey long neck grips. Had them for about a month and a half. Feel great. No wear on them yet. For the bar ends, I have the Shadow Conspiracy metal bar ends. Had them forever. Better than plastic. For the stem, I have the Kink Wolf 8.5 rise bars, 29 wide uncut. For the stem, I have the Fit DLD stem. Had it for over a year. Hasn't slipped once, maybe a couple, but yeah, good stem. I got the Odyssey headset. It's pretty good. Had it for a while. Going down, I have the Primo strand forks. They're really nice. I love them. For the tire, I have the Demolition 2.35 momentum tire. Had this for like a month. Feels so good. Nice for foot jams. Really big. I got them tan wall. For the front hub, I have the Primo N4 front hub. I have the Odyssey Hazard Light rim with Primo Fortune G spokes and one random white one, which is somewhere. Then I have the Blackeye Killorado V2 21-inch top tube frame. Really solid. I like it. I've snapped the V3. Went to this one, kind of dumb, but I just want to try this one out. I love the color. It's nice. Love the lowness. And then going down, I have the Primo slim seat. Really nice, sleek. Then I have the some random pivotal seat post, integrated seat post clamp. Then I have the Demolition M5 23 tooth sprocket and the Eastern Nomad cranks, 175mm. Had them for a while, really nice. Bottom bracket, I have the stolen revolver. It's really nice. And then I have for pedals the blacklabel pedals. Really good. They don't wear really quick. I'd recommend them. Going to the rear wheel, I have the Demolition Momentum 2.20 tire in tan wall. It's really nice. Doesn't slip out, only if you're on like rock and stuff, because they're pure street tires. I have the Primo Fortune G spokes with the Odyssey Hazard Light rim and the Primo Mix cassette hub. Who cares? You can't see it. There's Primo. Okay. I run 23/8, and I run the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. It's junk, and that's my bike. Subscribe.